Hello YouTube. This is my old motherboard which I'm using for past 6 years. This is my first PC. This is very important to me as aside from this is my first, everything that I learned in PC was by to the help of this. Uh, Recently it has been you know uh, damaged or what I have diagnosed this with everything. I check the power supply, it's okay. I check the RAM, it's okay. I check the video card, it's okay. Everything is okay except for the motherboard. It will not, there's no power in it when I try to on it. That what happened is that there's a heavy rain, and then suddenly there's lightning strike near our house, and suddenly my computer was shut down. So I thought, whoa, what's that? So I tried to on it, I tried to turn it on, and it didn't turn on. So I just don't know what to do for that. But I want, if there's anything that can help me to restore this motherboard. I'm sure the problem is in motherboard. By the way, I'm using my processor is Intel i3 first gen. This is, and I tried to do something about this build. I tried to restore. I want to restore this if possible. If any one of you can help me, feel free to leave comments below. By the way, this is the box of my motherboard. It's a Gigabyte H55M S2H series. So this is the actual motherboard. By the way, this PC was in that casing. This is my first case, and that is my second case. Yes. I upgrade my case, only my case. I also upgrade the RAM and also the video card on this PC. So if any of you know how to fix this, feel free to leave comments on this, and I will have a video on repairing this one. So see you when I see you. Thank you so much. Hope you'll help me. Thank you.